The internet has increased the opportunities for making money, and there is more money in circulation than ever before. There are more people struggling with money than ever before. Why then are most individuals in debt? There are many variables, but the ones in this video matter most of the time. Let's talk about the top 7 reasons why people are still broke. Reason 1. They are living paycheck to paycheck. Families are finding it harder to fit expenses into their monthly budget as prices continue to rise faster than wages. The number of consumers who spend paycheck to paycheck has been moving up since it peaked at 57% in September 2021, with high-income customers experiencing the highest increases. In August 2022, 20% of Americans had problems paying their expenses, and 35% of American consumers, or to put it mathematically, 60% of Americans, were surviving paycheck to paycheck. Additionally, 45% of those making over $100,000 annually were living paycheck to paycheck, up from 38% in September 2021 by 7%. Consumers earning between $50,000 and $100,000 annually were now 62% more likely to be living paycheck to paycheck than they were in September 2021. Customers in the bottom quartile of the upper income bracket, earning between $100,000 and $150,000, are more likely to be heading into a life of living paycheck to paycheck. Living paycheck to paycheck is the norm for 54% of these consumers, who earn over twice the national median personal income, up 7 percentage points from July 2022. The solution isn't always to earn more money. Generally speaking, as income increases, so do costs and eventually debts. When your income grows, it is tempting to move to a nicer automobile or home. Reason 2, they don't save. It's likely that your mentors, teachers, and parents will advise you to save at least 10% of your income. Then why aren't more people doing it? Well, despite being told they should be saving, the majority of people just wanted to spend all of the money they were earning right immediately. They obviously don't have their future in mind. You can live a stress-free existence by knowing that you aren't going to suffer if circumstances take an unexpected turn. Your savings give you a better future since they can assist you in achieving a number of your financial objectives. You can get a car, buy a house, or put money away for retirement. Therefore, saving is essential to attaining your financial objectives and increasing your wealth. The reason that follows, though, is more significant. Reason 3, they don't make investments. It could be overwhelming to begin investing. The media is rife with dreadful tales of people losing everything, and these tales undoubtedly lack confidence. However, there are numerous instances of individuals who have profited significantly by investing. There will always be some sort of risk involved with investing. There are so many competing opinions about what to buy and where to invest your money, thanks to all the financial experts you see in advertisements. But there is one fact that every investor should be aware of. The early investment allows you to take advantage of compound interest. If you start investing earlier in life, you can begin to accumulate wealth more quickly. To reach your financial and personal goals, you will have to save a lot more of your income if you put off establishing an investment strategy. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions about investing. Let's return to the video. Reason 4, they owe too much money. In general, people don't save money and live paycheck to paycheck, as was already noted. What transpires next in the event that their car breaks down? They get a surprise medical bill, or they run into another financial emergency. Most customers then resort to credit card debt. It is so simple to get into debt and keep it there thanks to credit card issuers. People typically wish to eliminate their debt as quickly as feasible. However, intentions and actual events are two different things. Credit card debt for the average household climbed from $6,224 in 2013 to $7,377 in 2017. However, the rising trend persisted. More people are now relying on credit cards to make ends meet. according to a recent report from the Federal Reserve Bank of New York. This has contributed to the total credit card debt reaching $930 billion in the third quarter of 2022, just missing the all-time high of 2019. Furthermore, starting in 2021, credit card debt grew by over 15%, the largest annual growth in more than 20 years. These are disturbing numbers, but remember that if you can put yourself in a bad situation, you can also pull yourself out of it. Due to the widespread availability of credit cards, it is quite easy to accumulate debt, which is one of the main reasons why individuals continue to face financial trouble. Reason 5. People do not think in terms of money. The majority of people overlook the truth that money is a mindset. A money mindset is a core belief you have about money. Your daily financial decisions are affected by your attitude toward money. Your ability to accomplish your goals may be greatly impacted by this. Success depends on putting your energy into developing a good financial mindset. Although many people find discussing money to be uncomfortable, altering your viewpoint on it may enable you to make wiser choices regarding how to handle challenges. What distinguishes the rich from the poor? All of the money-making experts will give you the same advice. You develop into what you think about. If you have debt concerns and poor money habits, your situation won't get much better. However, if you are focusing on being affluent, feeling plentiful and prosperous, you will begin attracting more wealth into your life. The title of Napoleon Hill's book, Think and Grow Rich, is deliberate. If it were named Take Action and Grow Rich, it would result in a lot more millionaires in the world. Reason 6. Their goal is to live the American dream. There is a common misconception that you have to live a certain lifestyle to succeed in America, and possibly other countries. Stylish vehicles, a home with a white picket fence, modern technology, and 2 or 3 kids, also referred to as the American dream. However, this turns into an American nightmare when individuals overspend and rack up debt. Even worse, because of social media, many people want to brag about their new car purchases to their pals on Facebook or Instagram. The issue is that they didn't purchase the vehicle. The bank was there. Unfortunately, for most Americans, the American dream has never become a reality. Instead, it has evolved into a standard that individuals from all walks of life have been striving to meet for years. We detest the notion and are tired of seeing older generations use it to highlight their little accomplishments and meeting this unrealistic standard as a sign of their superiority. Sadly, this ambition has gone beyond this and is still having an impact on our lives 50 years after it was intended to promote capitalism and materialism as the standard in society. The American dream is under strain from issues including immigration, social security solvency, rising income disparity, healthcare coverage, globalization, and mortgage collapse. Therefore, it is better to let go of the concept of the American dream and focus on your own needs and desires instead. Reason 7. They do not invest heavily into themselves. Numerous things might be referred to as investing in oneself. Whether you are taking a college course or learning a new skill, you are putting time, money, and effort into bettering your present and future lives. Instead of concentrating on things that won't increase your wealth over time, look for ways to learn more and live a better life. Concentrate on enhancing your own finances if you wish to enhance your financial status. Focus on improving the world if you want to make more money. For contributing to society, rewards come in many forms, including cash. The majority of people are similar to everyone else. They merely desired to improve themselves and had faith that they could do it. If you have faith in your abilities, you can accomplish the same results. Hope you have learned something from this video. What are your thoughts? Comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to click the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for you to be updated on our latest videos. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Want to learn more and be more financially literate? click on the next videos we have in our channel, showing on the screen right now.